In this video, I'm going to show you how you fix acoustic wall panel boards to a stud wall like this. Make sure you put a good heavy 12mm line of adhesive on every part of the stud that it covers. Lift and gently place the board into position, making sure you've got it level on the floor and the adjoining wall if it's touching one. Press it evenly with your hand across the whole area of the board, then give it a gentle tap to make sure you flatten down all of the adhesive. Now I'm ready to apply my second sheet, so continue covering up all of the stud work with the adhesive. Place this into position, making sure it interlocks behind the first board you placed into position, and you've got the same size gap between both boards. You can always drive in a screw top and bottom just to hold it into place until the adhesive is completely dry. Then these can be removed at a later date. These panels are fast and easy to install with minimum mess. Tray panel have a wide variety of colours and styles. This particular one is smoked oak. Each panel has strong felt backing with excellent sound absorbent qualities, perfect for helping reducing echoes in large rooms. They're lightweight, easy to cut and can be installed by one person. This creates that sought after wood slat style in your own home. The fully veneered slats themselves have the texture, colour variation of real wood, and each slat is visible from all angles. Now, it's not just multi-use that works perfectly for fixing the acoustic panel boards on, you can also use your Max Bond. Like multi-use, Max Bond can be used in damp conditions and can adhere to dozens and dozens of different surfaces. Applying it just the same as the multi-use, a good 12mm thick line across all of the surface of the stud where the board's going to meet. Now, my last piece requires a cut. Cutting them is quick and easy. It can be done with the trimming knife, pressing it up against the side of one slat, pressing it through the foam behind and cutting it from top all the way down to the bottom. As you can see, this separates really quick and easy and is applied just the same as the rest. This whole area, including one cut on the left hand side, has only took me about 20 minutes to install on my own. If you'd like to see more how-to videos, check us out on all social media handles. But if you just want to know more about the vast range of boards that you can get from Walls & Floors, check out their website, wallsandfloors.co.uk.